Wait, didn't I review this one already? Oh no, that was this guy. Time for some Layton Exclusif talk. Pardon me while I clean the cap a little bit. In the words of the Hodge twins, have some respect.
Look at it! Now respect it.
You gotta have respect for this fragrance because it is pricey, y'all. Don't know if that's any better, but oh well. If you want to get a bit of background on this fragrance, you can check out my Layton review, which I've already done, and the Layton versus Layton Exclusif battle I did a while back. You'll find some handy dandy information on what's in this fragrance in those videos. But if you're too lazy to do that, this is a slightly more aromatic, oriental, dark version of Layton. Layton is an appley, sweet, spicy, vanilla, sandalwood type of fragrance that is a bit mainstream in how it smells, but it smells really good, so that's cool with me. Layton Exclusif introduces Gaiac wood, a bit of oud, and coffee. There is a rich, slightly bitter, earthy quality that is introduced, especially in the dry down. If you're not a fan of animalistic notes like castoreum or especially civet, I'm sad to say civet is in this one. That being said, it's done in a masterful way because the civet, subtle use of oud, and a little bit of that coffee, they're balanced by those Layton sweet notes. The fruitiness, the creaminess, the sweet spicy, it all balances very, very well. Also, with the introduction of these darker notes, there is a little more performance as well. The sillage is much stronger. Longevity on my skin is maybe only about 1 to 2 hours more than the original Layton, but the projection is a lot stronger. You'll be at arm's length for several hours. Trust me. Why this is awesome.
Bruh, look at this dude. Wait.
For the people that complain that Layton was a bit of a basic bro fragrance, Layton Exclusif is anything but that. The changes they made here appease the frag heads out there. And us frag heads, when we get niche fragrances, we want the exclusive stuff, man. We want the stuff that no one else can afford so we can be special. This fragrance is special. The heavier notes in this fragrance make it even more unique, yet still retain that likable quality of the original. Because of the added protection, you'll obviously have a much larger scent cloud and sillage following you, which means you're more likely to get compliments in big groups of people. Why this sucks?
Oh, no.
It's very expensive. Really, really expensive. This size bottle is basically the same price as a big version of Layton, and you're getting less versatility here. You can't wear this in the warm weather. Not a chance, y'all. I can also view this fragrance as being slightly redundant with Layton because there are similarities there. Not enough that they're indistinguishable though. Side by side, clear differences in both fragrances. Don't get me wrong. But for an average person, I would maybe go with one or the other. For collectors, get both. Is this purchase worthy? Yeah. Sad to say, spend that Monet. I mean money, not that silly painter. Layton Exclusif is a special fragrance. I have a lot in my collection, but nothing really smells like this, and it smells really good. It's one of those rare cases where it's a strong performing oud fragrance that gets a lot of compliments. It is a huge, huge compliment getter. And although it flourishes in the cold weather, you can maybe get away with it at night as well. I still have to hand it to Layton for the value aspect, the versatility. For those special circumstances, Layton Exclusif does it better than anything else. I wore this for a winter wedding and I felt like thebomb.com the entire night. But who cares about my feelings, how I feel about a fragrance? Me? What about you? Smell this for yourself. And before you go and do something crazy, formulate your own opinion.